Hi, I'm John Permery with Beaver Industrial Supply. Some of you may know us as festoolsonline.com, and I'm here with Bob Marino of bobmarinosbesttools.com. Bob and I have been Festool dealers for about 15 years. Neither one of us can actually remember when we started. It seems like a long time ago, though. I know that we're both early distributors of Festool, not too long after they started selling in the United States. Bob and I are here today to announce Bob's well-deserved retirement from selling Festools. And I know Bob's got a couple things he'd like to say.
Hi, Bob Marino here. As John mentioned, I will be retiring for Bob Marino's Festool. I do have to say that I want to give a big thank you to all my customers throughout all these years of support. Your support and friendship in many cases means a lot to me. It still does, it always will. But the time has come to pass the baton on to another dealer. And I can think of no better dealer than John at Beaver Industrial. So your Festool concerns are going to be met, not a problem. Excellent customer service has been a bedrock of my business, and I know it's a bedrock of John's business. So again, I want to thank you all, and I will be around. I'm not, I'm retiring. I will be around to answer calls, pick up the phone. If you have any questions that need me to answer, I'm more than glad to do so. But again, a big thank you, and give your support with my blessings to John at Industrial Tools.
All right, Bob, thank you very much. I just hope I'm certain we can live up to your expectations. From now on, when you call 866 Festool or go to bobmarinosbesttool.com, you'll be connected to Beaver Industrial Supply. It'll be through our website, festoolsonline.com. But we will be handling your order or your customer service need. Our customer service staff is all factory trained from Festool, other brands such as Powermatic, Jet, Fine, and so forth. So they are a knowledgeable staff. Their commitment is to answer your question on the first call. If they can't, they will respond to you within an hour. Whether they have the answer or not, they're going to respond to you within an hour to let you know that they haven't forgot about you. Generally, we'll get the answer on the first call. We have a deep inventory. We're committed to fast shipping. So I know we can be committed to giving you the level of service that Bob's given you over the years. We're happy for Bob and his retirement. I know he's going to miss a lot of his customers, but if you haven't already built a relationship with us, we're hoping to have the same kind of relationship you have with Bob. Thank you for your time this afternoon, and we'll talk to you soon.